In a TV contest show, one contestant has 280 points. To determine his final score in the game, he spins the spinner shown below and multiplies his current number of points by the fraction he lands on. Which statement correctly describes the effect of multiplying his current score by the fraction he lands on? Okay, it says multiplying by 15/2 will decrease his score. Multiplying by 2/15 will decrease his score. Multiplying by 8/9 will increase his score. And multiplying by 15/15 will increase his score. So we've talked about this, about a fraction, and which fractions will increase and decrease. And if you remember, let's look at J. 15/15 is 1. So 1 times 280 is not going to increase or decrease his points. It's going to stay the same. (8/9). Let's look at that. Well, 8 times 280 is 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 6 would be 2,240. 9 times 1 is 9. So if we divide, 9 can go into 21 twice. Nine can go into 34. Which is, and 9 can go into 70, and that's 63, and we're going to keep going, but that's already 237. We're going to go into decimals here, and this is 280, so that's already less, and that's because 8/9 is 8 is part of 9. It's not, the numerator is not bigger, so it's not going to end up being a whole number and another part of something. So we know that if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it will not increase the score, it will decrease. So here, this will not increase. Let's look at F. 15/2, now that is more than 2, and that will end up being a whole number plus a fraction. And so that will increase his score, not decrease. And G, multiplying 2/15 will decrease the score. Well, we just saw that if we have a numerator that is smaller than the denominator, that it will decrease. So G is the right answer.